Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be tearing down the VR6 just a little bit to get it ready for, I guess, to be rebuilt. So we're going to start with the intake manifold and that single injector. What else? Whatever, I think that's a SAI pump, I think. Whatever that is, I have no idea. And last but not least, the head. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, I'm back and just using a better tool. Yep, there we go. Alright, so far I took off the exhaust manifold studs using the old school 2-knot method, and I took off the piece of the intake manifold. So next I have to go take off the valve cover to see if I could get a better understanding of what's going on in front here and what needs to be disconnected. Alright, let's go. Alright, so this is the condition of the timing chain and the cams, but is it me or is this engine a little too clean? Like, obviously there's dirt and stuff like that in it, but this is way too clean. I've never seen an engine look like this before, so I don't know. Alright, well, it will be rebuilt anyway, so hopefully it's in, I guess, good condition. So I'm going to mark off the head bolts to see the order in which I need to take them out and proceed with at least loosening them. After that, I'll try to get the timing chain off the cams and go from there. Well, need to do a little bit of research, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, let's proceed. Alright, so this is what I did. And these are the sequence I came up with. So as you can see, I numbered the sequence of the bolts that needs to come out. So 1, 2, 3, and where is 4? 4, and so forth. So from my understanding, you know, you loosen from outside in. So that's the sequence I came up with, so I'm going to follow it. You know, these are the, I guess I'm not going to show all of them, but I tried numbering them as good as I can, so you all know what I did. So if I did something wrong, please correct me, and moving forward you'll know what to do. Alright, so hopefully they come out properly without any mishaps, knock on wood. Alright, head removal time. Alright, so I'll have to stop here, unfortunately, because this is just how things go sometimes. I have the wrong tool. So as you can see, this is a, I don't know, I'm assuming to be a 12 point, and the tool I have is a 6 point. So I am not taking any chances. I am not going to even attempt to try to take this out with the wrong tool, because if you strip any one of these, you will be in a world of hurt, and I've had a week. I don't want to add that to it. So hopefully in the next video, in fact not hopefully, in the next video, I will be taking this engine apart, taking the heads off, and hopefully by then I will have an engine builder where I will start the engine rebuild process. All right, yeah, sorry, I know I'm sounding kind of bummed out, but I'm a little bit bummed out. Really wanted this at least done in this video, but it'll be done in the next one. All right, keep cool.